In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Turtle Beach Stealth 600. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly reset your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset. If you are encountering trouble, like the status light being locked to red, maybe it is not charging anymore, or it simply refuses to connect, anything weird that is happening, then you can reset your headset to make sure that those issues go away. This can be done by pressing specific buttons on your headset, and it should work for any gen of headset that you have. So for this video, I'm going to be using the Gen 2 as the example, but like I said, you can most likely follow along with Gen 1 or Gen 3. If it doesn't work, then follow the manual on your specific gen. For the Gen 2, as you can see on this image, all that you have to do is press and hold the mode button and either the power button or the connect button. I would actually recommend holding all of them simultaneously for 30 seconds. So it takes a while. So hold it down for 30 seconds or until you see some sort of LED activity like flashing or turning off. The website says that you should hold the mode button and the connect button, but like I said, a lot of people have reported that the power button works as well. If you are unsure, you can just hold all of them and eventually you are going to be able to perform the reset. Once the reset has been performed, it is as if they are brand new. So it might reset itself, then you just power it on again, and you can try connecting it to any device. So using the connect button or the mode button, go ahead and plug it in to any compatible device. You can use the USB dongle that is included, or press the connect button if you are connecting it to something like an Xbox console. So to keep it simple, in summary, for the focus of this video, all that you have to do to reset your Turtle Beach 600 is to press and hold the connect button and the mode button, and probably the power button for 30 seconds. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Turtle Beach Stealth 600. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.